Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod and welcome to the 30 days of automation and testing. This is the day for 14 and today task is basically all about I'm giving you certain tasks that you need to do because we have learned Selenium concepts, Selenium commands, right? I've shown you some demos also in the previous video, right? And we are going to do some practical automation test cases with Selenium. So I hope you are excited. So let's get started, right? All right. Guys, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and make sure you watch all the previous video related to automation testing challenge that we are doing. And if you are interested in watching the API automation mastery, basically the 30 days or API testing challenge, I'll recommend you to go to the playlist section and check it out. Right. In this video, we are gonna discuss about the 5 test cases that I'm gonna give you as an assignment. And in the next video, probably in the day 15, we're gonna see some solution for it. Right. So today, it's all about telling you about the basically explaining you about the what are the different automation scenario that we want to automate, right? All right, so let's move on to the test case number one, which is very simple one. What we want to do is that we want to launch any browser. You can launch any browser like Firefox and Chrome. You can open the namecheap.com, which is a domain search engine that we are going to automate, right? So the day 5, we're going to automate a very interesting, right? Trust me. I want you to verify the title and close the browser, right? So that is again the test case number one. In the test case number two, what you need to do is that again you need to open the browser. You have to maximize the window, open the name change again. You need to basically print the page source, right? And just print it out in the system.log, or if you're using in Python, you can use any of the command to print it out, right? In the test case 3, which is interesting one, what you have to do is that you need to maximize the window, open the name change URL. You need to verify whether the source contain the search for your domain name or not. It's basically a text message that we need to verify, right? So that is a test case number 3. Let's talk about the test case number 4, which is basically launching any browser, opening a Namecheap, maximize the window. We're gonna enter a domain and we're gonna click search, right? So you can enter any random domain and click on search and verify that if the URL contains that your domain name or not. So verify basically in the URL your domain name that you have searched will come, right? So now you need to verify, right? I hope that makes sense. In the test case 5, guys, this is interesting one, and trust me, you will learn a lot of things. You need to open any browser. You need to go to namecheap.com. You need to search for a particular domain, which is sdet.to, which is already taken. You need to verify if it is taken or not. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go to namecheap.com and you need to search here, right? .to, click on this enter, or you can click on this magnify glass also, and here it will basically mention after few seconds, right? It is taken, right? So you need to wait for certain second and you need to verify if it is taken or not. We're gonna see the solution in the day 15. I hope you are excited and I'll recommend you to do all the exercises if you're able to do it. Let's see the solution in the day 15. This was a short video about it, but trust me guys, you will learn a lot. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.